3, 2, 1. Salut! Je m'appelle Vincent, je viens de Paris en France.
Je m'appelle Jonghyun, je suis étudiant en français et Yongnam. I'm going to speak English from here because
Right.
I can't react in French. That would be too hard for me. While I'm listening Major, I found very pretty and beautiful, powerful value in France. And we're going to talk about this. First one is solidarité. Can you tell
Solidarité.
me what is it?
So, for me, solidarity is about being close with each other, being part of a group which follow the same ideas. A few years ago, I had the opportunity to go volunteering. So, basically free work. So I went at the south of France, Italian border, and I wanted to restore an old castle. I thought I was going to be alone because it's really in the middle of nowhere. But I was really surprised because I found so many people from all over the world that had the same idea, the same belief that they wanted to go all the way there for free. And being part of that group for a few weeks really taught me important stuff and was a really awesome experience.
Wow. Can you have a picture of it?
Yeah, I will send them to
Okay,
you.
but we'll be here.
Right.
And the last one is tolerance.
So tolerance is about respecting anyone regardless of their religion, their gender, or where they're from. It's really about mutual respect. I heard that you had a particular...
I have kind of tendency that always hesitate when I speak out my opinion. What if other people see me that I'm too speak out? But after I'm learning this value, I changed my mind. I try to give my opinion so that other people can give opinion too. And I try to respect others' ideas too.
Yeah, in my opinion, that's a great mindset to have.
Merci. Thank you for coming here.
De rien. Au revoir.
Prêt?
Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour.
Ça va?
Ça va et vous?
J'ai une question sur vous.
Oui.
Que pouvons-nous faire après avoir obtenu notre diplôme?
D'accord. Alors, n'oubliez pas que le français est une langue internationale et qui peut vous amener à travailler dans des domaines auxquels on ne pense pas forcément quand on est étudiant. Les domaines dans lesquels on recherche des employés parlant français sont très divers. Je vais maintenant vous donner un petit exemple. Une de nos anciennes étudiantes travaille aujourd'hui en France pour Royal Canin, une société internationale d'aliments pour animaux. En fait, quand elle était étudiante ici, elle n'aurait jamais imaginé pouvoir trouver cet emploi. La vie lui a donné cette opportunité parce qu'elle parlait français. Je voudrais donc vous dire aujourd'hui qu'étudier le français est une chance. Il ne faut pas regretter de faire quelque chose que l'on aime. Il ne faut pas penser que cela est inutile, que l'on perd son temps. Tout ce que l'on apprend avec passion servira un jour d'une façon ou d'une autre.
우선 나는 프랑스어가 좋아. 처음에 아, 베, 세, 데 발음할 때 바로 기분 좋아지는 거 보고 아, 이 언어로 말을 하면 나는 말하는 것만으로도 행복해지겠구나 하고 생각했어. 문학도. 정말 멋지고 강인한 가치들이 담겨있는 아름다운 문장들을 온몸으로 느끼고 실천에 옮기는 게 좋아. 그리고 이건 내 지도 교수님 말씀해주신 건데 빠르게 변화하는 세상에서 인문학을 통해 인생의 선택 순간순간마다의 판단 기준을 배울 수 있다고 하셨어. 그렇게 생각해.